Rocket Stove Mark III. New design. We've gone rudimentary on the experimental stage. What the fuck is that? Jesus Christ. This thing's the size of a fucking bear. Anyway, back to the fire. Well, the old burner, she's glowing a bit, like, but it's not burning very efficiently, so I thought I'd just introduce an extra bit of oxygen with the use of this hairdryer here. Let's fucking have a go at this, like. Oh, that's quite effective. Oh, let's try it on speed 2. Jesus Christ! Fucking hell, son. Right, let's turn it back to speed 1. Oh yeah, it's warming up now. Oh yeah, get on there now. Shit, the bed. Oh shit, the fucking hairdryer's melted.